Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we simplify your buying decisions with deep dive product insights. In today's video, we're covering one of the best Bluetooth USB adapters for PC that you can get right now. The TP-Link USB Bluetooth adapter for PC, model UB500. If you've ever struggled with unreliable Bluetooth connections or you're looking to connect your favorite wireless peripherals to a desktop or older laptop, this little device might be exactly what you need. Let's get into why. The TP-Link UB500 is a compact USB Bluetooth dongle built with Bluetooth 5.3 technology. Designed to upgrade or add Bluetooth capabilities to your Windows PC, this adapter is engineered for seamless wireless connectivity. Whether you're syncing wireless headphones, game controllers, printers, or even your smartphone, this adapter acts as a reliable bridge between your devices. First up, the design. The UB500 sports a sleek, nano-sized form factor. It's so small you can leave it plugged into your laptop or desktop without worrying about obstruction or damage, especially when traveling. Its black and gold finish gives it a clean, professional look, but more importantly, the small size makes it incredibly unobtrusive. Now, let's talk performance. With Bluetooth 5.3 and EDR, or enhanced data rate, this dongle offers up to 2 times faster data transfer and up to 4 times the range compared to older Bluetooth 4.0 adapters. It's also backward compatible with previous Bluetooth versions, meaning you can connect to just about any Bluetooth device out there. The UB500 also supports BLE, Bluetooth Low Energy, which ensures efficient power consumption. This is particularly important when using wireless peripherals for extended periods. You get a stable, energy-efficient connection that doesn't drop out randomly, which is especially great for audio devices or gaming controllers where stability matters. When it comes to setup, this dongle delivers true plug-and-play convenience. For Windows 11, 10, and 8.1, all you need is an internet connection. Plug it in and it sets itself up automatically. If you're on Windows 7, you'll need to download a free driver from the TP-Link website. It's a one-time setup, and once it's done, you're good to go. A quick tip. If your system already has internal Bluetooth that's outdated or buggy, disable it from the device manager before plugging in the UB500 to avoid conflicts. This adapter supports a wide range of Bluetooth-enabled devices, from headsets and keyboards to game controllers, printers, and smartphones. However, it's important to note that it's designed strictly for Windows PCs. It does not support macOS, Linux, or smart TVs. It also won't work directly with consoles like the PS5 or Xbox, but it can be used to connect their controllers through a Windows PC. If you're a desktop user with no built-in Bluetooth, or your laptop's internal Bluetooth is outdated or inconsistent, the UB500 is an easy and affordable upgrade. It's especially handy for gamers who want to connect wireless controllers, remote workers syncing Bluetooth headsets, or anyone transferring files wirelessly between PC and phone. In conclusion, the TP-Link UB500 is compact, powerful, and extremely reliable. With support for the latest Bluetooth 5.3, a nano design that disappears into your USB port, and compatibility with a wide range of devices, this adapter nails all the essentials. It's fast, energy efficient, and incredibly easy to use. For Windows users looking to upgrade their Bluetooth experience, this is one of the best USB Bluetooth adapters on the market right now. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this breakdown helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon for more product reviews like this. See you in the next one.